Umintri rangba kajala ukonrat ke sangma ha ka sautrik jalio. Ulaya kendo ya umintri kampo yang ka sorkar pedeng u Amit Shah. Ha ka ba ula kerpat ban pynkhlain kilat kilinti. Bante la kam ya ka jingwan rung ki mynder ri sha kajala. Kentup halor ka jingdawa ka bala sateng la slam. Ban pentre kam ya ka inline permit ILP ha kajala. Ukonrat ula IT ya ka dorkhas Shah u Amit Shah. Halor ki jing sngau kya ki baya David ka jingwan rong bean ki menderi ka jing dawa ban pentre kam ya ka ILP bat ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill RJR po bat ka jingken thop ya ka tin khasi bat garo hapo ka 8 schedule jong ka riti sanshar khadar kari Ukonrat pynkynmaw ru ba ka yeng dor bar thawan ka jilla ha ka khat khandai trik no pra RJR khat khandai da ka we ka sur kala menjor ya ka resolution halor ka jingdawa ban pentre kam ya ka ILP ha ka jala kata hadin kat tu kat nisni bala pentre kam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act arjar kat kendai kat ba ka CAA ka pelaj ikijaka ki bahap hapo ka 6th schedule Henry ke resolution kala ong baka jing pelaj kam patlong satya ka babyang pantela kam ban iada ya ka bahak kamiat bat ki jing mentoy jong kinong shong shnong riulum ka jala ula ong Umintri rangba ulakin turu ya ka jing bishar biang ya ka MRSSA kabala menjur da ka yeng dor bar thawan ha uluber arjar arpau kabadan kam ya baro ki brio ki basyong basa ha ka jela palat ya ka sapu prakenta baki day ban ai ki jing tip ling ba ka digital app kata light no ikinong shong shnong ki bapura ki MP MLA bat kinong tri sorkar kenang bantek la kam ya ka jingwan rung ki brio ki bana bar ka jela Ula ongru baka jela la slam bha kala dawa ban penrung ya ketien khasi bat garo ha ka 8 schedule bat ka yeng dor bar kala menjori ka resolution halor ka ne ha ka arf nyotrik nai wieng arja khat pra bat ya ka balapha shaka Ministry of Home Affairs ha ka khat sautrik no pra arjar khat pra Ula benrap ba baro kini ki artili ki ketien kila la ban pendap ya ki kindon ki badan kam ban shim baki day ki balala ban yorung ha ka 8 schedule da ka ba pen pawru ba ya ketien khasi bat garo la pen long kum ki ketien sorkar ni official language jong ka jela ling ba ka Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance arja arpnrio kumta la kerpat ya ka sorkar India bakan perkhat ban penrung no ya ka ketien khasi bat garo Haka 8 schedule jong kariti sanshar khadar kari khnang bakan long ka jingman toy ka bakrawi ka jila haki babon ki liang ula benram
During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the Northeast Council, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration, and we have urged the government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The 4th issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the sixth schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the fourth issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that Government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I've mentioned in the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister.